أهلا وسهلا بكم في الدرس الثالث من دورة أهم كلمات الآيلتس من موقع وقناة مدينة اللغات Language Sound. أنا نيفين الشاذلي ودرسنا النهاردة عن التعليم. يلا نبدأ. Education التعليم. في الدرس ده هنتعرف على أهم الكلمات الأكاديمية الخاصة بالتعليم والعاملين فيه. Archaeology, also archaeology. Archaeology is the study of the societies and people of the past by examining the remains of their buildings, tools, and other objects. للأسف مفيش كلمة مرادفة لأنها كلمة أكاديمية في الأساس. مثال: an archaeology professor at Florida State University. المرادف باللغة العربية علم الآثار. Astronomy. Astronomy is the scientific study of the stars, planets, and other natural objects in space. مثال: a 10-day astronomy mission. المرادف باللغة العربية علم الفلك. Economics. Economics is the study of the way in which money, industry, and trade are organized in a society. مثال: he gained a first-class honor degree in economics. المرادف باللغة العربية علم الاقتصاد اقتصاديات. Geology. Geology is the study of the Earth's structure, surface, and origins. مثال: he was visiting professor of geology at the University of Jordan. المرادف باللغة العربية جيولوجيا. Linguistics. Linguistics is the study of the way in which language works. مثال: modern linguistics emerged as distinct field in the 19th century. المرادف باللغة العربية علم اللغة. Psychology. Psychology is the scientific study of the human mind and the reasons for people's behavior. مثال: research in educational psychology. المرادف باللغة العربية علم النفس. Sociology. Sociology is the study of society or of the way society is organized. مثال: a treatise on the sociology of religion. المرادف باللغة العربية علم الاجتماع. Academic activities الأنشطة الأكاديمية. Analyze, analyzes, analyzing, analyzed. If you analyze something, you consider it carefully or use the statistical methods in order to fully understand it. المعنى المرادف examine, study. مثال: McCarthy was asked to analyze the data from the first phase of trials of the vaccine. المرادف باللغة العربية تحليل. Claim, claims, claiming, claimed. If you say that someone claims that something is true, you mean they say that it is true, but you're not sure whether or not they are telling the truth. مثال: he claims a 70 to 80% success rate. المرادف باللغة العربية يزعم. Define, defines, defining, defined. If you define a word or expression, you explain its meaning, for example, in a dictionary. المعنى المرادف explain. مثال: the contract will seek to define the client's obligations. المرادف باللغة العربية عرف. Evaluate, evaluates, evaluating, evaluated. If you evaluate something or someone, you consider them in order to make a judgment about them. For example, about how good or bad they are. المعنى المرادف rate. مثال: The market situation is difficult to evaluate. المرادف باللغة العربية تقييم. Investigate, investigates, investigating, investigated. If you investigate something, you study or examine it carefully to find out the truth about it. المعنى المرادف research. مثال: Police are still investigating how the accident happened. المرادف باللغة العربية بحث. Nouns associated with research. الكلمات المرتبطة بالبحث. Evidence. Evidence is anything that you see, experience, read, or are told that causes you to believe that something is true or has really happened. المعنى المرادف proof. مثال: Today there is no evidence to support this theory. المرادف باللغة العربية دليل. Hypothesis. A hypothesis is an idea which is suggested as a possible explanation for a particular situation or condition, but which has not yet been proved to be correct. المعنى المرادف thesis. مثال: Work will now begin to test the hypothesis in rats. المرادف باللغة العربية فرضية. Theory, theories. A theory is a formal idea or set of ideas that is intended to explain something. المعنى المرادف explanation. مثال: Einstein formulated the theory of relativity in 1905. المرادف باللغة العربية نظرية. Exam tip. نصيحة امتحانية. يمكن أن يكون للكلمات الأكاديمية نهايات عديدة، ولكن الشائع منها ICS statistics, statistics, LOGY biology, biology, Y philosophy, philosophy. غالبا ما تنتهي الكلمات الخاصة بتسمية الأشخاص حسب مهنهم ب-ER. أمثلة: teacher, farmer, miner. عادة ما تنتهي الكلمات الخاصة بتسمية الأشخاص الذين يدرسون المواد الأكاديمية كمصدر للعيش ب IST. مثال: biologist, physicist. وبكده نكون وصلنا لنهاية الدرس الثالث. أشوفكم على خير. Goodbye.